import your video clip, drag and drop it on your editing timeline. In this video, I'll try to give a quick tutorial on how to use the new pen tool of Filmora 15. This works better to videos with movements that we can track like this one. Click on Shapes tool and select Pen tool. After selecting, you can now freely draw the path where the car or your object went. As you can see, I missed most of the path where the car drifted, so I will adjust the pen markings. You can do this as well by adjusting the nodes of your drawing. Alright, now that we are done, we can now add effects on our drawing by selecting it and pick any preset effects available here. I will be picking this one called Fire 01 to show a car burnout effect on the ground. You can do more for this pen tool effect by adjusting its radius, intensity, opacity, etc. However, the most important part here to get the same effect as the intro showed is the trim path start and end. This effect can be keyframed and show that it appears then disappears. To make it appear, set end at 1% to 90 to 100% at the end of the clip. To make it disappear, keyframe the start trim path while the car is completing its turn. As you can see, it's all coming together now, but I know there's too much to improve on how to use this. If you want, you can still edit the effect of the pen tool to your liking. Let's watch the results.